Yo, what's up guys? I am making this video because I want to show you guys exactly how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars all from deving meme coins on Pump.Fun, bro. Most people trade meme coins, but I would highly recommend to dev meme coins, okay? It's way more profitable and it takes way less time and less risk. Now, without further ado, bro, keep watching. Now, I used to trade meme coins a lot back in the day. I'm sure most of you guys were actually trading meme coins like a couple months ago, but there's a reason why I personally stopped, because every single time I bought inside the coin, it ended up the same exact way. It got completely rugged, just like this coin, okay? Basically, the dev would launch and then he would dump on your head and you would lose all your money, okay? But now, I am the one who is doing that. I became the dev, and that is why, yeah, I mean, in my opinion, bro, deving meme coins is way more profitable than trading. Here are my results for the month of December. Basically, I had 3 different deving wallets. The first wallet I made 30 grand, 24 grand, and 14 grand on the third one, and this is all from the Pump.Fun creator fees, okay? There is a new update on Pump.Fun where they pay out the dev for every single transaction made in their coin, okay? That's called the Pump.Fun creator fees, and I just farmed that over and over again. I launched around 1,000 coins to basically make all of these around there. And yeah, bro, I was consistent and I made all of this, and this does not include the money that I made from the supply and from all my bundles and from all the sniper wallets I had on the side. So that's exactly why I dev meme coins. Now guys, I am not capping, bro. All these wallets are all fucking public for every single dev out there. You just have to find their address. But look, if you go on Pump.Fun, you can find a bunch of different devs and you can see how much they're making live. Now if I go on the Blessed coin, right, you can see if he made money from his coin. Now right here he made $900, right, and he launched 173 coins. This guy's a grinder. Now guys, even though he launched a bunch of coins, he still made $900. That's not bad, bro. I could maybe launch 173 coins in around a couple of days, right? Like, that's not bad. I would rather do this than a 9 to 5. Now if I go on another coin, let me see, June 1 coin, right? Coins. Okay, he made 5.2k from 3 different coins. Yeah, this guy got lucky because, yeah, nah, he got $1 coin and he got fucking lucky. But yeah, guys, you guys get the gist, okay? Deving meme coins is an absolutely fucking cheat code. Boom! Oh my god, he made 24k from fucking 1 coin. Yo, that's absolutely absurd, bro. You guys have to hop on this trend. Now, the tool that we will be using to make our meme coins is called speedlaunch.io. It's the best deving tool out there. Why? Because first of all, you can deploy coins based out of tweets. Here you have a free CT tracker, a bunch of tweets, a bunch of, people are tweeting, and your job as a dev will be to deploy coins based off of tweets, and then you can customize it by, making a name, symbol, selecting an image, or uploading your own image, and just, you can bundle, you can snipe, you can farm snipers, you can multi-deploy, you can deploy multiple of the same coin at the same time. There's a bunch of different ways to make money from deving, and this is why you have to be using speedlaunch.io, bro. A bunch of people are actually using this. They have the best team behind this project, okay? Honestly, bro, I would be using them to dev coins, and I actually use them. I've made all my money from deploying on tweets. And if you are just a trader, you can also use this as a free Twitter tracker. Like, why not just use it as a Twitter tracker, right? Now you can also vamp coins. For example, okay, for example, if you find a coin attractive and you want to copy that coin or make it better, you can copy the CA, paste it in right here, and you can just customize it and launch it yourself, right? Now you can also launch a whole custom new coin from scratch. That's an opportunity too. But if you want to farm creator fees and you want to farm a bunch of money and potentially make something go viral, well, I would recommend to deploy coins based off of the tweets right here. Now also, bro, tweets from big accounts will be highlighted like this. If you want to customize anything, I would go in settings, and then I would go in tracker, I think, and you can customize, anything you want. Okay, it's really fucking easy. You can also put notifications for any accounts. You can filter, okay, and you can, yeah, It's really fucking easy. Now right here, okay, is where you will want to set up your wallets. You can create wallets, right? The first ever wallet will be the dev wallet, which will be really important, and all the rest will be snipers. That is used for the bundles and for, you know, you can make 100 wallets and bundle your coin 100 times if you wanted to, right? And you can fucking collect your Pump.Fun fees right here. Now I only have $10 because I collected mine like a week ago. But yeah, bro, it's really fucking easy, and I would recommend to use them. Speedlaunch.io is linked in the comments down below. Now it's time to deploy your coin. Honestly, bro, I'm not seeing anything good right now, but oh, Tesla economics. Okay, I'm going to deploy this Tesla coin. Why not? It's not the best narrative, but I'm just doing a quick example. Now I'm going to do Tesla. Wait, no. New Tesla symbol soon. Right? Just some bullshit. Or blueprint. Then do I want to bundle a coin? Nah. The narrative is not good enough to bundle a coin. You can multi-deploy if you want to. Now right here, okay, I would recommend to deploy with around 1 to 3 SOL. Okay, anything around there is a sweet spot, because if you do too much, well, you will own too much supply and no one is going to buy your coin. And if you deploy with anything under 1 SOL, well, you might not make as much profits as you think, right? So I usually do 1 SOL. Okay, click on 1 SOL if you want to. You can also customize it if you want right here. Whoops. 1 SOL. Boom. It's created. Now if you go on Axum, you guys can see, yeah, it's right here. The blueprint coin, Tesla coin is right here. Oh. And yeah, bro, it's live. Yeah, the narrative is not really good enough, so I don't expect people to buy in. Oh. Okay, someone bought in for, okay, someone bought with 0.5 SOL. Okay, I mean, I wasn't expecting that, but you know, whatever. Now, when you want to make some money, bro, you can come back to speedlaunch.io, click on the dev panel, and then you can do 100% to remove all. And boom, if we look at the chart, it should be fucking all sold. Yes, sir, it's sold. But since I only owned around, yeah, I only owned like I only owned 3%, so that is not worth it, okay? I only made like a couple bucks. But yeah, bro, you guys get the gist. If you fucking launch a bunch of coins, okay, and you have one coin that goes viral, you can fucking print, okay? And yeah, bro, let me just see if I get my money back. Yes, sir, boom. But yeah, bro, speedlaunch.io is linked in the comments down below, bro. Go make a coin and let me know your results. And guys, bro, you guys have to be consistent on launching. And yeah, bro, peace out.